Hello traders, today is the 8th of March 2013 and the time in London is 14:30 p.m. In New York is 09:30 a.m. Happy trading to you all. The title of this video is Good News, Bad News, Market Manipulations. Alright, we want to discuss market manipulation, market distortions, okay, the smart money activities in a market, so you also can understand what is happening behind the scene. The purpose of this video is not to blame one group of market participants, but to, reveal to traders important or essential, activities that are taking place behind the scene, okay. If one recognizes a good company, okay, which means a company with a very high return on capitals, one will be very, very happy, okay, to buy it at the best price, at the cheapest price. So you find a very excellent company with a very high, return on capital, and also you know that the economy cycle in fact is bullish, and for one reason one day the market brought that stock or financial instrument to the lowest point that you can ever dream about. You will be very happy to load it in the proper sense of the word. Load it. All right. On the other hand, suppose you have recognize that a company is not as profitable as they pretend to be, or they are losing huge of their market share, and you are itching, so to speak, to sell it or to de-invest in that company. You want to close your position. You want to look for another financial instrument that you can buy. In fact, you want to sell it. All right? So you will be very happy to sell at the highest price. So you can reduce your losses. You don't want to sell it low. You want to sell it at the highest price, so you can close your positions and go away peacefully. All right. Always when we are trading and when we are investing, we are talking about value. You want to buy at the lowest price and sell at the highest price. All right. This is what's going on in this market. We want to buy good companies at the lowest price. We want to sell, company that are under pressure at the highest price, and go away, close our position and go away. This is what's taking place. Talking about bad news and good news, market manipulations. These are the time when the economy news are about to be released. I'm going to show you now a Forest Factory, the list of news. In fact, I'll click for the whole week. All right. A lot of economy news will come out from Japan, from China, from Great Britain, from Canada, from New Zealand, from Australia, all over the world, from United States. And these economy news from Sunday, professionals are watching this news. Some of them are so important, they are in red envelopes. Some are not high impact, they are orange. Some are low impact, yellow. So I mean, and a lot of there are liquidity traders. There are hedge funds in the market, and they are paying attention to the fundamentals. They are looking ahead, and they want to make decisions. It's all about value and making money. All right, making money. All right, but because it's one market. In one market, we have traders that are very, very new. They can hardly understand what is taking place. I remember myself when I started trading first. One of the indicators that I used was the accumulation and distribution, indicator. In fact, I didn't even understand it properly, so I put it there. It makes sense for me, and I say, okay. So I was watching it to trade it. All right, I make some money that day, but you see, there are new traders, there are advanced traders, there are people that we call market specialists, that there are experts, there are market analysts, there is the Fed also, there are central banks, there are hedge funds. Can you believe it? But the number of hedge funds has increased recently in the recent years, and so they are what I call the elephant in the market, crushing, the cockroaches, the little players in the market, so the game has changed big time, and ordinary traders need to catch up quickly, which means learn and improve the ability to trade. Talking about bad news and good news, market manipulation. When some important news like today, look, I just want to show you a beautiful market manipulation. By the way, do not tell anyone that I said this, okay? All right, but we are discussing on YouTube. Okay, now I do not want traders to go around blaming other market participants. I'm not into that at all. All right, don't get into that. But these activities are taking place and we cannot deny it. Okay, and I want traders to be aware of it. During economy news, market can be distorted, market can be manipulated. In a very efficient market, okay, the market will reward majority of market participants. In a distorted or manipulated market, few market participants only will benefit. You understand? But sometimes when a new one good news or bad news is released, the market can be manipulated. Let me explain something to you here that has happened today. All right. I have some other thing running on my computer here. I want to do something, but my computer is not allowing me to do it. Okay, hopefully, maybe it's not on slowing me down. Another message probably popping up here. You'll see soon. Okay. All right. So on this 4-hour chart of the Euro USD, look here, this session here. Look, we all know. Don't tell anyone though. Yeah, we all know that the Euro is bullish. All right, it's oversold. The level I told trader to watch is 12953. You see, myself, I just okay was waiting for the Euro to come back here. Look what it did. The price was up here. I was sending one personal video to a trader today, and I was telling him that I was waiting to buy somewhere here. You know, the smart money would prefer to buy here, the red line. You see this red line here, and they will be very, very happy to buy here instead of buying up here. Sometime during economy news, instead of the price going up, okay, the smart money, because they want to buy at one particular place or sell at one particular place, they will push the price to where they want the price to be and to load it. That does not mean that always this is what's going on, but sometimes it's happening. We cannot deny it, but don't get into the mode and say, now I know why I'm losing. It's them. No, it's nobody. It's you yourself. Because all these market participants has a role to play. Some crazy traders, some useless traders, some bad traders, some efficient traders, they are all in the same pool. So that's why you need to be responsible for your own decision and decide whether today, because it's going to be wild, you may decide to go and play golf or do something else or play basketball or, do something else, okay? So it's always your choice and your decision to come in or to go out or to remain in it. Okay, so the purpose of the video is not to blame somebody, but to be aware of what is taking place. So, like a day like this, if the smart money want to buy here, I'm not saying that this has happened, but sometimes you'll see they will push it here, and you will see that the price will not cross that line anymore, and they will just load it down. Now they're just loading it, because that's where they want to bring it. So you remember at the beginning of the video I was telling you that if you recognize a company with a high return on capital, a good company, excellent company, above average company with a huge market share, dynamic, or probably has a monopoly or have a proprietary tools or products, and excellent company, excellent management with excellent future, and you want to buy it. You want to buy and hold. You will be very happy to buy it, at the cheapest price. And these activities sometimes can be a manipulation when the market is forced to go to one particular place. As the forcing is taking place, let me explain myself to you, orders will be placed here. I'm not saying this is what has happened, but I want you to be aware of it. They will place orders already here, load it, orders to buy, littered in this zone, And now, orders will be placed up somewhere here, you see, as the price went up here to be sold, order will be placed here to sell. Boom, price go to this level, orders will be filled, buy. Okay? Can be brokers, can be hedge funds, can be, okay, banks, can be anybody. No point to blame anybody. This type of elephant in the market can reward you or mess you up. If you work in your favor, they will reward you. If you work against you, ouch. Don't call your mom for it, but just smile. Okay, just smile. Say another day. Another day. Okay? So, talking about bad news, good news, market manipulations, I want to show you another example. There was another one here which I noticed. In fact, the Euro USD, in my view, is oversold. I say to trade, give priority to buy signal above 12953. If the music has changed, the dance must change. There was another one that I see very obvious. In fact, this one was very, very interesting. This is the dollar, Canadian dollar. Can you believe it? This currency pair, in fact, I sold it a few days ago, took my profit because of the economy new coming out. We should sell it, okay? Now, it's bullish. Remember, I said to trader that it's bullish, okay? But it reached a point where we should sell it to give us another healthy pullback, all right? It reached a point. But we sold it this week somewhere. It went nicely down, but quickly they bring it up. It's not surprising. Sometimes, that's why some economy new, because they're important, they probably doing the opposite things that the price is supposed to do. If you don't play the mind game of trading, you can be in trouble. So, we knew that this thing, they should sell it a bit, or people should take profit. It's not bearish. Remember, it's not bearish. So, they should take a bit of profit, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. With too many hedge funds participating in the market, most of them are momentum traders. Boom, 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 boom. No stop, no stop, no pullback, no pullback. All right? Everybody want to load it, and they have the money, and they can do it. All you want to do is to be on the right side of these elephants so they don't, okay, step on you. All right? And also be aware of them and go into their mind also to make excellent decisions. So, instead of the price continuing the movement, you start going down all the way to maybe a retest here or another support here, okay? They just stop. Okay? If you don't take profit here, they bring it back up again, same place. Here again, double top. Now, today, look, after the news, now they are selling it. This move up is just a play waiting for the news. It was going up before, should continue to go up. Same thing for the euro. All right, it was going up before, should go up. And now the news is out, now it's down. All right. Sometimes, if you know that the price should go down, and there are too many important news like no fun, you can just wait. Wait for the news to come out first, and then you play it now. Because the market sometimes is manipulated or distorted, okay? When news is about to release, or news is already released, bad news, good news, economy news, I'm talking about economy news, okay? That's what I'm talking about here. All right, you see? There is another one here. The dollar, Singapore dollar, my favorite currency pair. Right here, you see? Okay, I don't want to say anything about this anymore. I just keep quiet. Traders will understand what I mean here. And now it's at the resistance level. In fact, look what they were doing. They were selling it. You can bet they will sell. You can bet they will sell. Yeah, they will sell. They were selling it. They were selling it. And with a new boom, up. Well. Okay, but what I always say to traders, because I talk to a lot of traders, the responsibility of the trader is very important. If you get into the mode and say, oh, my broker, or my whatever, okay, my broker, blah, blah, blah. I have the same broker, I have the same brokers, I have 3 brokers, okay, I stay with them, I didn't never change them, all right? So, it's not a broker, it's you. When I was losing in the past, I thought it was my broker. In fact, okay, you may say, oh, why? These people, they are crook. No, they are defending their interests also. All right? You want to understand what's taking place. You have traded that open a lot of position. Now, these people have to hedge also against their client, because otherwise they're going to go bankrupt it. The same day, they will go bankrupt it. Suppose every trader that places a trade has a winning trade. What's going to happen to the broker? Well, so think of it. So trader, you have to be okay, understand what is taking place, and go into the mind of all market participants, the Fed, the central bank, the brokers, the market specialists, the market makers, liquidity traders, momentum traders. But you may say to me, Joe, how do I do that? It comes with the experience. You see it. Recently, there was a trader that contacted me after a few months, say to me, George, now I can clearly trade just with Elliott Wave and make excellent decisions. This is a TSTWSY008 trader. And beginning, he was sending me a lot of email, asking a lot of questions. But that was a few months ago. I didn't hear anything from him. And last time I sent email to TSTWSY008 trader, he came back to me. He was telling me that I can do very well now with the Elliott Wave alone. Like I said to traders, you start first with general trading, and then you move to Elliott Wave, and then you move to Fibonacci. This is just a stage that traders go through. No one will tell you when you're supposed to do it. It just happens because if you want to do it at one point, slowly, because you are learning the experience, and in your heart, you know you can do it, you want to do it, and you get there slowly. So you don't think that is too much. Just the first thing you want to do not go to the bank, empty your bank account, and give all away, because if you don't have money, you can't trade anymore. And you will feel miserable and be very, very emotional. And it's not the best way forward. You want to go step by step, concentrating the ability to trade, improving your ability to trade, use demo account. Okay, FSCM has a demo account. You can open one each month. Okay, all right. Okay, so test it, work on it, take it serious. Okay, and don't trade okay, historical data. Trade live chart. Then you see it. Is it working in a real time? Because the historical data, all the simulation, no. Real time. Okay, use demo account with live chart. Okay, and you will test it. All right. Talking about bad news, good news, market manipulations. Big market players want to readjust the market. Sometimes it's not a manipulation, it's just market correcting itself. So sometimes you will see that also, which means there is a huge distortion, and the news come out, and the market just rectify itself. So for instance, you may see, for instance, price going up, going up for a long time. Okay. Now, after a very good news, people will try to buy, and the price in fact will come down big time because the market at that point want to correct itself. So instead of going up due to the good news, the price will come down due to correction. On the other hand, price going down for a long time, which is depressed, which means oversold in the proper sense of the word, oversold. Now, because everybody is expecting a very bad news, now the bad news is released. Instead of the price going down, the price will go back up because, in fact, the financial instrument has been gorgeously oversold. This is about bad news, good news, market manipulation. I hope you have enjoyed this video also, that you will learn something from it, okay, to make a better trading decisions. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Speak to you soon.